This is the Week 3 overview for EDU 595, Developing Character and Ethics. This week's topics include ethics in the classroom and ethics in academics. And the learning outcomes include describe the importance of character education in today's schools and how to harness classroom, site, and community resources to implement effective character education. Identify the philosophers, theologians, psychologists, and practitioners who have played a role in creating a foundation for moral decision-making. Use multiple leadership concepts to understand situations and enhance effectiveness in the classroom and in the real-world situations. And develop an awareness of the ethical challenges in everyday lives in school community. Okay, so after you finish watching this overview, you should watch Can a Children's Book Change the World? You can watch that by following this link. And also, Bringing Ethics into the Classroom and Building Character Through Literacy and Children's Literature. These are 2 items to read. This week's Christian message comes from Matthew chapter 11, verses 29 and 30. Participate if you choose. It is optional. And then the discussion board. Review the frameworks in Bringing Ethics into the Classroom. What framework resonates with you the most? How does your chosen framework compare or contrast with the character education program adopted in your school or school district? And then submit assignment number 1. So you are going to create a timeline. Use Microsoft Word. There's some tutorials that you can follow, and there's an example provided for you. Or you can use a different kind of software that you prefer. It's worth 40 points. And you can see here that your historical timeline needs to identify the course of character education in America. When it's highly developed, you'll get 10 points. Follow the rubric to make sure you're getting all the descriptors. Make sure to include identified individuals, groups, and ideas that influenced the course of character education. Written communication. Make sure that you are using scholarly resources and that you cite work according to APA format. Your timeline should appear professional and be visually appealing. So 10 points, 10 points, 10 points, 10 points. And that is due by the 31st of May, by midnight or a minute before it. To submit it, you just attach the file here, add comments if you want to, and press submit. Okay, so as every week, the items and tasks are summarized in the gray box. Watch the video, read the items, reflect if you choose to, discuss on the discussion board, and submit assignment 1. That is week 3.